How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I am doing good. I'm excited to do a look today. This is just mood right now, and I want to do glitter, so we're going to add one to the glitter series. I have some really cool new ones. This one's like a pink, purplish, silver. I have a rose gold one, and then I just have a little packet of glitter if you guys can see it. It's like a purple pink, so that's what we're going for today. If you're not into the whole glitter game, just let me know what you would like to see. That'd be great. And by the way, look out for some poll questions and make sure to click on it so you can vote in my polls. I love little quizzes myself, so I hope you guys like them, and it also is going to help me. So look out for those, and if you guys want to see me work with some glitter, have a little fun, keep watching. Okay, you guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it interesting. I know it's kind of crazy. I can't say I didn't expect to not do it because I kind of did, but it's always fun to see like how it's going to come out once you do it. And I really love this. I know some purple lovers out there and they're going to absolutely love this. Catch me on Snapchat. Catch me on my Instagram. I would love to connect with you guys. Let's be friends. I love you. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.